Athletes, adventurers, and passionate livers of life. Are you ready to go big with the smallest, lightest GoPro yet? 50% smaller and 40% lighter than other HERO4 models. HERO4 Session weighs less than any camera we've ever made. So you can wear it, bring it, pack it, and mount it in more places than ever before. With super simple one-button capture, you just choose your mission, grab your session, and go. HERO4 Session is waterproof without a housing. Just dive in and capture what comes next, down to 10 meters or 33 feet. Designed for ultra-compact mounting, you can mount HERO4 Session on your helmet for mind-blowing low-profile POV. Want options? You got them. The camera can be rotated within the included frames, opening a world of mounting flexibility never possible before. Session also comes with the new ball joint buckle, allowing you to instantly adjust your capture angle by tilting or rotating the camera 360 degrees. When the camera is mounted upside down, auto image rotation automatically adjusts the capture orientation, so there's no need to flip your footage when you go to edit it later on. Session is the go-to camera anytime you're counting ounces, or for any activities that require a helmet. But don't stop there. HERO4 Session delivers the incredible image quality and experience-enhancing features that made GoPro famous. HERO4 Session captures pro-quality 1080p video at 60 frames per second. The sharp, lifelike video mode users around the world have come to love. If you're shooting high-speed action, such as outdoor motocross, that you'd like to watch in slow-mo later, switch to 720p 100. 100 frames per second ensures your slow-motion playback will appear liquid smooth. You can also opt for Super View, the world's most immersive wide-angle field of view. HERO4 Session also features 8-megapixel photo capture for time-lapse photos, burst photos, and individual stills. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, combined with the GoPro app or smart remote, give you full control of HERO4 Session. With the app connected, you'll be able to access modes and settings, view photos, and playback videos. HERO4 Session is compatible with most GoPro mounts, so whether you've got a stash of mounts at home or you're looking for fresh ways to capture your favorite activities, you'll be good to go. With an ultra-compact design, a stunning total weight of just 2.6 ounces, HERO4 Session is the smallest, lightest GoPro yet. And with a world of new mounting options, you'll never not be stoked to have HERO4 Session along for the ride. HERO4 Session. So small, so stoked.